I'm Gunjwan.
Hi, I'm Anya, and we are from the RTMS Design Thinking Club.
So the question we decided to answer is,
how can we design a product that can help transfer medical supplies to hospitals quicker?
In order to solve this problem, we designed a drone that quickly and safely deliver up to 6 kilos of medical supplies.
The drone will be powered by a battery that can be recharged. There will also be a parachute to help slow the impact of the fall.
The drone will look like this. Three, two, one.
That can be
Made out of plastic. The drone will have a sliding compartment which the parachute will come out of.
The drone will be programmed to stop at a certain place so someone can take it out of the air and switch it off.
The drone will also have a small compartment to easily insert and take out the battery.
This way, by using all our idea, we can easily and efficiently be able to deliver essential medical supplies to hospitals on time.
To wrap up, this is how we help countries with low medical funds.
Thank you for watching. Bye.